Welcome to Gemba Video by Asian Productivity Organization. We call the places Gemba, where we manufacture products and offer services to clients while receiving rewards. We will introduce good practices at the production sites in Japan. Today's theme is Gemba Walk. This chart shows how the discoveries from a manager's Gemba Walk can feed back into kaizen action. In Japan, managers are expected to perform regular Gemba walks to discover kaizen opportunities. The three keyword points of view for this are quality, cost, and delivery. Kaizen proposals should likewise come not only from operators themselves, but also from Gemba walks by the company president and specialists.
こんにちは。私は改善専門家の
Hello, I'm Kamigaki, a specialist for kaizen at production sites. I have specialized in improvements at plants in the field of electronic equipment. I will introduce Sasaki Inc. and Mr. Keiji Sasaki, the president of Sasaki Inc. in this video. We are producing wire harnesses made of connectors and cables, which are used to get into communication with other equipment. We have two plants in Taiwa Town, Miyagi Prefecture, and Nirasaki City, Yamanashi Prefecture. The majority of our clients are in the industrial equipment sector, like semiconductor manufacturing equipment and machines. These days, we are producing cables for racing bikes, future vehicles, medical equipment, chemical equipment, and equipment for aerospace defense too. Thanks to the boom in the semiconductor market, the number of employees has grown to more than 400. You may believe more male staff members work in manufacturing industries than females, but that image is not to be applied to our company. We have 51% of female workers and 49% of males. We strive to create a good working environment for women as well, compared to other companies in the manufacturing industry in Japan.
我々の作っているそのワイヤーハーネスというところでいきますと、やはり
Our wire harnesses have ISO 9001, 14001 certification, and JIS 9000 certification for the aerospace defense field. We have the same certifications both in Yamanashi and Miyagi plants.
また僕たち創業以来今27年経過しまして28年目に
It has been 27 years since my father established the company, which is a rather young company. A trustworthy company is trusted with all their works. All our staff members consistently consider it.
そんな中でも我々は信頼っていうのは3つあるというふうに考えていまして
We believe there are three kinds of trust. Firstly, the trust of our clients. We don't have our branded products, so it is important to be reliable and meet our clients' orders. We can gain trust in an obvious way, consistently producing and delivering our clients' orders on schedule. Secondly, the trust among our staff. The key element of manufacturing is humans. For example, we communicate with trading companies and makers when we buy materials. We believe that good manufacturing cannot be achieved unless the people involved can trust each other. Finally, the trust of the people. It is crucial to gain the trust of the local communities when manufacturing in small towns of Yamanashi and Miyagi prefectures. As you can see, there are three kinds of trust: the trust of our clients, among our staff, and of the people in local communities. One of our advantages is that we have continued kaizen activities for a long time. We have been constantly improving our working environment from small steps to major improvements conducted in an organization, considering the work of each staff member to make it better than ever.
その成果として生産効率が上がった。
As a result, we achieved visibly high productivity and work efficiency. Our improvements are primarily achieved by managers' efforts to visit production sites to understand the actual situations there. Now I will show you how the plant looks inside. There are 3 departments: part storing, processing and inspection, and packaging and shipping. All sections are laid out in a line from accepting materials to shipping. Here is an organization chart in the Miyagi plant, consisting of 9 departments and 15 groups. I will show you these highlighted 4 groups in this video.
私たちが製作しているケーブルの概要説明をさせていただきます。
We produce this thick black cable, which is called futomono, or a thick cable. The futomono is an AC power cable. It connects equipment with other equipment to conduct electricity. It is 20 meters long. This has a circular connector at the tip and terminals at another tip. Connect them with crimping machines. This connector is soldered to be connected to other parts.
こちらの製品は細物と呼ばれてい
This DC signal cable is called hosomono, or a thin cable, which connects communication equipment with communication cables.
この長さも
The length is 20 meters too.
ちなみに
We can make them in lengths ranging from 10 meters to 30 meters. It has a D-sub connector at the tip, made by inserting wire-crimped pins to it. This D-sub connector is made by soldering wires and terminals.
Cables are manufactured in these 7 steps at this plant. Now let's see each step with our managers. We first have production plans made by the Production Management Group, and then the Material Management Group starts manufacturing them. Here we inspect the delivered raw materials and input information into systems. We are having some difficulties with acquiring materials smoothly due to the spread of coronavirus. We have been considering measures to substitute with alternate materials and have other purchasing routes. We have close cooperations with material traders so as not to have stockouts. Then we collect parts we need according to the design drawing. This step is called kitting. Different parts are used in each product, so they are carefully checked. We check the parts number with 2-dimensional codes in the kitting process. We especially take care to check the number of parts. Mistakes sometimes occur when we supply a shortage. Since parts numbers have many digits and similar numbers, we double-check them by checking the actual items and using icons of animals or objects. The Manufacturing Group 2, the core team in the manufacturing department, assembles the cables. They assemble a variety of cables with a variety of thicknesses and lengths. Some are for high voltage use, and some are for connecting computers. In this plant, each operator takes charge of every step to assemble cables, which is called cell production system. Each product has its own unique features, so each authorized operator assembles one kind of cable consistently to guarantee its quality. Each machine is placed so as to minimize distances between them. Some steps require manual work on their own work tables. The assembly work is done by certified workers. The skills of the workers guarantee the quality of the products. All staff members assemble products from the beginning to the end according to the order of priority, so as not to stop the workflow and not make work in progress. After assemblies are completed, they hand the products over to the inspection department. Not making work in progress minimizes errors. This shows how the tools are organized on the workbench. I will introduce the outcomes of our improvements and kaizen activities. We encourage workers to learn each other's good points. Common equipment is easily lost and damaged. These rules help us to increase the productivity of our work. The manufacturing section has fatigue recovery exercises every day at 2 p.m., which were proposed by a staff member. These exercises ensure quality by keeping the workers physically fit and preventing careless mistakes from occurring. The inspection department guarantees the product's quality according to specifications. The members of the inspection group wear red jumpers. All products are inspected for electrical conduction, pressure resistance, and corrosion resistance based on specifications to ensure quality. They guarantee all products' quality through visual inspection according to specifications. There are around 100 things to check for each product. The inspection Gemba is located between manufacturing and packing. They inspect the products, prioritizing other workflows. They check all items on specifications for each product. As a general rule, inspections are performed all at once. When the inspection has to be interrupted, an inspector gives a sign to tell the others. All inspected products are handed over to the Logistic Group 2, which packs and ships the products. Workers here wear a belt so as not to have a backache when they lift heavy items. Packed products are shipped to semiconductor manufacturing factories all over the world. Currently, to prevent the transmission of COVID-19, the entire lunchtime is divided into two to avoid being crowded in the cafeteria. Managers and other staff members have lunch at the same table. They can bring their lunchbox or order the same lunch there. They sometimes find out problems in their work through the conversations at lunchtime. Managers hold meetings around 3 p.m. every day. Latest production problems will be discussed in the meetings. In some cases, they deal with problems of products which are being shipped on that day. They have some visual controls to increase productivity and safety in Miyagi plant. Vehicle aisles are divided into some sections. People and vehicles stop at intersections. The locations for transport equipment are clearly marked with yellow lines. Equipment has to be put back to its original place. All places other than individual tables are common work areas. Notifications provide information for each operation, particularly those involving hazardous work, including the use of protective equipment. Visualization is an effective way to share important information, such as company motto and company policies, with staff. The company motto is displayed in the main entrance. International standards which the plant has, like ISO, are presented in the office where every worker can see.
弊社はワイヤーハーネスの製造を主業として多品種
We produce mainly wire harnesses with a huge variety of products in small quantities or numbers. We offer our products mainly for clients in the industry equipment field. Now, we are expanding our sales channels. Recently, We have orders for racing bike cables and EV vehicles in the automotive development field. Moreover, we are expanding our sales to medical devices and aerospace defense fields, taking advantage of producing a variety of products. Orders are increasing now. For more demand expansion, we are introducing digital transformation and automation thoroughly. The new Yamanashi plant has an automated warehouse which can store 910 pallets and inventory control systems. With our rich human resources, skills, and cutting-edge technologies, we will produce wire harnesses of the highest quality. Our products are used in all kinds of equipment running all over the world. We are trying to contribute to the world with our high quality, technology, and safe work environment.
皆さんいかがでしたか？このビデオではマネージメントと
How was it? You may now know we have a close relationship between management and the production site. We cannot improve the quality of our products if managers do not observe the production sites with their own eyes. Managers cannot stay only inside of their rooms. You just saw the Gemba Walk video in a cable harness plant to show that managers have to understand the situation in production sites with their own eyes. We hope this video will be a trigger of improving quality and productivity in all production and service sites.